When I was 25, my mother told me, "You know, when I was your age, I was already in prison."
Ну, это не шанс-элизе.
זה אתה שלך? בלי חלון, בלי כלום?
בלי חלון, כן. החוקר אמר, תבלי בנעימות, רגע, אל תבכי, שישראל.
לא, תהיי I grew up free. I grew up in Israel. In the free world, my parents are heroes. But in Russia, they still call them terrorists.
In Leningrad, 11 Russians, most of them Jewish, are being tried on charges of trying to hijack a plane out of the Soviet Union last June.
It's the same if you try to escape from the Nazi Germany. You are a hero or you're a crime.
Crime is a crime. It's a scandal.
It's a mistake to call it a hijack because it wasn't. It was an empty plane.
פחד ושקר וצביעות וסבל מתמיד.
It's better to be arrested, but maybe after the prison they will give us possibility to leave this country.
They wanted to steal a plane and get away. And it actually woke the world up.
Let the media see, let the whole world see.
Okay, I received the sentence as I expected and tried to control my feelings, not to show that I am afraid.
Mister, I want you to know that you and the say are always welcome here. I only regret that.
We all have one fate, one hope.
Я танцевала вальс, чтобы и вот так вот я кружилась. И так вспоминается свою прежнюю жизнь в свободе.